What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, today we want to look at something very interesting. It's being said online that Musa Mseleko is using Makumalo's money, and the viewers are not happy about it because they are saying Musa Mseleko is funding his own lifestyle by using Makumalo's money, because we all know that Makumalo, she is like financially independent. She has her own business, that she does. But one of the things that people are missing online is that when you are married, the money that the wife makes, it belongs to the husband. And the money that the husband makes, it belongs to the wife. So in essence, I am saying the money that each one makes, it belongs to all of them. Because when Makumalo spends Musa Mseleko's money, no one has a problem with that. But it turns out that people want to have a problem with Musa Mseleko spending Makumalo's money. Come on, this is kind of being hypocritical, because Musa Mseleko is going to have like dry days, and he is going to need that support. His wife has to be there for him, and he has to spend some of that money, you see. It's a circle, it's about helping each other. It's not a one-way route whereby it's only the wife who has to spend the husband's money. The husband also can spend, his wife's money, and shouldn't face any backlash, unless obviously if he's taking advantage and overspending, something like that. But I don't think Musa Mseleko is doing any of that. But anyway, Mseleko is facing that backlash.